You are going to love the 2015 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, electronic stability control, heated front seats, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.